Good morning. It's gone quiet now, but that road is quite busy and I'm going to be following it all the way in a straight line into Seville today. What a juxtaposition to be starting my day here in the bushes and ending it, ojalá, in the fancy city of Sevilla. Oh, I better do my duty. Hola. These church ruins were built on top of a synagogue and a mosque, although I don't know in which order. This one began as a Visigoth cathedral and then a 9th century mosque and then a 15th century church. Hola! Empanada break. Easy ride so far. Flat, wind behind me. Tiling's getting super Arabic looking in style. With the Romans here in this part of Spain, this road is ever so straight and ever so long. Stop for another empanada break, and our chap has just come over, introduced himself as a cyclist and given me this big bag of fruit. Muchísimas gracias. That was terrifying for a moment. Giant bull on the horizon. Gosh, it is noticeably several degrees hotter away from the coast. Here, drinking much more water. Check out the concentrated solar power towers, some of the first in the world. No, definitely not. I absolutely underestimated how hot today's ride would be, but at least now I can fill my bottle more frequently. And I just got let off lightly by the police because I had one earphone in. Probably shouldn't be on the phone now, actually. This bike lane has speed limits on it. Hola, this is Alex.
Hello.
My Sevilla superhost is taking me into Sevilla today.
We are having a very nice day here, a little bit hot, but we see.
We're out early, it's 10 a.m, so hopefully it won't get too hot this morning.
Yeah.
Vamos!
Vamos!
Hola! Hola! Yeah, I love the smell of eucalypt. Baking in the sun. Smells like Australia. Yeah. Nice. Toro de oro?
Because they keep the gold inside.
Oh, okay.
This is the party of the orange, de los naranjos.
Wowee! When was it built, do you know?
When?
Yeah, when was it built?
10 years ago. It's
Okay. Oh, it's beautiful.
We take the next bridge to the left and we cross.
Okay.
the river. Yeah.